One of my followers had asked me about how he can create a scanner for the morning. And very simple, this is Weibo, but you have to sign in on their web platform. So if you sign in, you're gonna get this widget from the widget box here, and you need to go and choose scanner. Once you get scanner, it's here. You just have to go and filter it to suit your trading strategy. So you go to filters, and then you look for whatever you want. If you are looking for stock to trade in the morning, I'll look at the market capital, change, volume, float, l- last price, and average volume, which it doesn't really matter to me, anyways. But once you get all these are for stocks that are for investment, then we are not doing investment, we are doing day trading. So it's just you trying to take advantage of what's happening. If you want signals, also you can add any signal patterns that you want from here. um so that's about it. We've already selected this. So what you have to do is the market capital. I don't really care about the market capital, so you can leave it as it is. Also the float, you want it as smaller as you can. So maybe 35 million is okay. The price of the stock, you want it as smaller as you can. So also maybe $1 to 9 is okay. And then the change, you want to have um, stocks that are moving, so that you can pick from. So the change is here up to whatever, because some stock can move 300%. It's a matter of you looking at it and then take advantage of it during intraday. Volume is, I will leave it here because I want to see most of stocks that are moving. And then this is not the only place I'm going to look at volume. For the key statistics, I'll look at it also. So I want to see as much stocks that I want. And average volume, I'll leave it like that. Once you finish, you just have to type your name, any name that you want, and then you save. You already finished. This is how you build your own scanner. So it's here. Anytime you want to modify, you come to modify, and then you just will go in here. Will still bring this interface for you, and then you can go ahead and modify. If you want to see after hours, you can just right click and then drag it to wherever you want to see. But I want to see the change first, because that is what's gonna make me pick the stock. So this is how you build your own scanner. And very simple, super simple. And I want you to try it. I mean, even if you are not gonna use it, you go in and then play with the numbers and try it. And if you have any widget that you want me to also look at it and configure it, we can do that together. I'll see you tomorrow morning when the market open. I'm gonna be here and I'll put in some of my thoughts. Every advice that I'm giving here is just for education and it's not for financial advice. Thank you.